Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosio. This is Lilani, my daughter. She always likes to be in my videos. But in today's video, I'm gonna bring a little bit something different, I guess. TikTok actually made me buy this. If you guys have TikTok, go ahead and add me. I'll leave my username somewhere here, so you guys go ahead and add me. But if you would like to see what I got, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I have my package right here. I have not opened it yet. So I ordered this off of Amazon because I saw someone from TikTok buy this and it looked actually pretty promising. So let's go ahead and open it. I haven't opened it. I wanted to open it with you guys to have like the first impressions or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now. Okay. Oh, and I also picked up a Wet n Wild foundation because I needed one. But so this is what it comes like. It's actually pretty cutely wrapped. It's almost like a present. It's so cute. Okay, let's open it. So this is the case. It almost looks like a lunch bag. Let's open it to see what comes in this case. And this is what the case looks like inside. So this is where to hold like your brushes or whatever. And then there's a side pocket here. And this is what the package comes with. It comes with a little makeup see-through bag. It comes with these brushes. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 brushes in total. It comes with this, I think it's like a brush cleaner. And it comes with 3 beauty sponges. And then this, so you basically just, you see there's lines in here. You just basically put it wherever you want. Let's see here. Like, I think it goes like that. Okay. Something like this. And then you put in the other one like this. So you could put it however you want, okay? And this all came in this package. And this is actually pretty sturdy, you guys. And the beauty sponges are squishy. Yeah, they feel very good actually. And let's see the brushes. The brushes are okay. They're soft, they're good. But yeah. And let's see this one. And it's just a regular cute little see-through little makeup case. Okay, so for all this bundle that I got, it was $24.99. I'll go ahead and try to leave like a screenshot of what it looks like when you go in Amazon, and I would also leave the link in the description box in case you guys want to grab it yourself. It's only $24.99. I mean, you get quite a lot of pieces for $24.99, which is not bad, and it comes wrapped in this cute little wrapping paper. But yeah, and I'm sorry you guys for any weird noises or whatever, because she's been acting up so much ever since the baby was born. We could not control her. But she doesn't listen, so I am sorry in advance for that. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you do end up purchasing this these items, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.